So what we have here is the Murphy's Pure Vegetable Oil Soap, almost all natural, and this is for hardwood floors. So I'm not gonna only use it on hardwood floor, I'm also gonna use it on this vinyl floor to just test to see if it actually works on vinyl floors as well, because it says you can use it on hardwood floors, wood cabinets, and laminate floors, bookcases, and so on. So very easy to use. Dilute a quarter cup in 1 gallon of water, and you can just start using a wet mop and start mopping around to have the floor nicely cleaned. So after the floor is cleaned, I'm going to be actually applying a glossy polish to the floor because it actually needs some polishing. And but this video, we're going to test this out and I'll let you guys know if it cleans the floors good or not. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start from the corner over there and go all the way back to the kitchen area. The mop I'm using, it's a poly blend mop. Supposedly those absorbs more water when you actually dip it into the thing. I have about 2 gallons of water, so let's just get it started. So I already swept the floor, so the floor is clean of dust, and now it's the the oil clean part. Smells really good, very citrusy smell. Makes the room smell really nice. Since I don't have the mop bucket, I'm just going to use my hand. So whatever you're mopping, they suggest a motion of like an 8-figure motion. This is the best way to get your floor nicely mopped and covered. And so this is what I'm going to do until we finish mopping this section. So I mopped the entire flooring. Next, I'm actually going to dry the mop a little bit more outside, and then I'm just going to do a dry mop really quick to get rid of the extra moisture on top of the floor. Okay, so I just finished second mopping. The floor is still a little bit wet. We're gonna wait for everything to dry before I apply for a coating of a polishing compound. But for now, I'm gonna start mopping the other section of the room. Actually, I'll show you guys so you have an idea of what before and after looks like. So this is when we just finished mopping the floor. It's still drying, of course. And this is the area that I'm gonna mop next. As you can see, the floor is actually pretty dirty and pretty dull. So we're gonna apply some of the oil, and then we're gonna mop this area as well. And also at the very end, we're gonna come back here to the living room area, and this area is actually heavily damaged. So mop first, and then we're gonna coat it, and then we're gonna take a look. But from what I've experienced so far, it has done a fantastic job, okay, cleaning the floor, bring up the original natural color of the flooring, hardwood flooring. Okay, so this is really nice, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so a couple of days has passed since I used Murphy's oil soap, and I want to show you what the floor looks like right now. And again, this is before applying the polishing compound. So this floor is, you know, of course, treated with Murphy's oil. So it's very clean. But as you can see, once the floor dried up, the scratches and things are still showing over here. So the oil does not improve the look of the floor. It only cleans the floor for the floor to be ready for polishing action. So that's something that I want to let you guys know firsthand. As soon as I find out that the floor looks nice when it's wet right after clean, but after it dries up, the floor dries up as well. I mean, it is very clean because I walk on the floor barefoot and I barely get any dust on my foot or any dirt on my foot. So that's a good sign that the Murphy's oil actually did the clean job really nice. However, this is no replacement for properly polishing your floor because let me show you. So I actually tested the polishing in a small section. So what you see here is unpolished, and what you see here is actually polished. So there are more shine to the floor. Kind of hard to see in the artificial light, but there is definitely a difference between just cleaned floor and cleaned and polished floor. So the cleaned floor is dull, and the polished floor definitely shows more of a deeper shine and brings out the wood texture a lot more compared to the only cleaned floor. So obviously Murphy's oil works great for cleaning, but after that, make sure you apply a polishing compound to get your floor nicely protected and shine at the same time, okay? So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below about the Murphy's oil and cleaning oil. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks and take care.